Raise your hand and walk to the front. Raise your hand and walk to the front. The mic will be passed to you. Raise your hand and walk to the front. The mic will be passed to you.
Yes. This is the Q&A. So if they ask questions, can you help us answer to them? Correct. Sebab nanti Q&A student akan ada student yang pergi dengan then so your role is bagi orang. Bagi diorang ke bagi diorang? Diorang. Diorang ada diorang tak? Apa dia kan? Waktu nak start kan dia bagi. Tapi orang memang orang bagi. You can bagi. Yes. See you microphone. Yay. Jadi nak listen. Baca kat sini ke? Ke sana? Moderator. And then mic yang tu kan untuk Bluetooth speaker. Dua ni kan? Tu. Mic yang live. Oh, yang ni yang live juga. Oh, ni ada live. Yang ni pun ada live. So, ya. So what? Kena bagi moderator. So, yang satu moderator, satu the first speaker pun. Serabutnya. Tapi dari belakang pinjam dulu. Kalau nak pass pun nanti nak nampak. Daripada belakang. Ya. Pergi depan je. Sorry. It's okay. Yang tu sampai kan? Di sana. Sekejap. I think this one moderator. Sambil the other one bagi dekat. Moderator yang ni. The other one? The other one. Bagi dekat. Among the three. I think she's going to. Dato'. Hello. Oh, script moderator. Which one is that? I think for secretary dengan chief moderator. Atau meja? Can you take this piece also?
Announcing the arrival of our guest of honor, Yang Berbahagia Dr. Sri Yunus, retired Court of Appeal Judge, Chairman of Suhakam and Consultant RDS. Yang Berusaha Puan Farah Syuhada Razali, UiTM alumna and partner RDS. Yang Berusaha Encik Nisholdran Ravindran, pupil in Chambers RDS. Yang Berusaha Associate Professor Dr. Noor Izan Rahmat, Dean Faculty of Law, University Teknologi Mara. Yang Berusaha Encik Muhammad Nazim Ganti Syari, Senior Lecturer, Faculty of Law, University Teknologi Mara. And a warm welcome to our distinguished guests, esteemed lecturers and fellow students. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand up as we're about to sing our national anthem Negaraku and Wawasan Setia Warga UiTM. Now take your seat. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very good morning and a warm welcome to everyone. Welcome to today's forum, organized in collaboration with RDS Partnership, focusing on a vital aspect, fundamental liberties, freedom of speech and expression. To bless our program today, we invite Muhammad Fawzul Azim to lead the dua recitation. Please welcome.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Al-Fatihah. Auzubillahi minasyaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Hamdan syakirin, hamdan hamidin, hamdan yuafi ni'mahu wa yukafi'u mazidah. Ya Rabbana lakal hamdu kama yanbaghi li jalali wajhika wa azimi sultanik. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Allahumma ya arhamar rahimin wa ya ahkamal hakimin. We raise our hands in gratitude for your countless blessings, and we give thanks for the opportunity you have granted us to gather here today in conjunction with the Perspective on Public Law Forum. O Allah, bless this gathering with wisdom, benefit, and meaningful reflection. Make this assembly a platform for the dissemination of knowledge and understanding among the people and the wider community. O Allah, bestow your blessings, mercy, and grace upon our distinguished guests, all attendees gathered here today, and upon all Muslim men and women throughout the world. Grant them wisdom, transparency in decision making, and steadfastness in upholding the truth with the highest integrity. May the discussion and insights shared today contribute to the continuous development, ethical leadership, and noble action. O Allah, accept our prayers and shower your mercy and blessings upon this gathering. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Thank you, Muhammad Fawzul, for that dua recitation. Ladies and gentlemen, to officially set our program in motion, it is my privilege to invite Young Berusaha Associate Professor Dr. Nur Izan Rahmat to deliver the opening speech. With all due respect, the floor is yours.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Yang berbahagia Datuk Seri Hishamuddin Yunus, retired Court of Appeal Judge, Chairman Suhakam and Consultant RDS Advocates and Solicitors, Puan Farah Syuhada Razali, UiTM Alumna and Partner RDS Advocates and Solicitors, Encik Muhammad Nazim Ganti Syar, Senior Lecturer of the Faculty of Law UiTM, Encik Nisholdran Ravindran, Pupil in Chambers, RDS Advocates and Solicitors, the Faculty Management, respected colleagues, dear students, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you to the Perspective on Public Law, Essays on Fundamental Rights Roadshow, organized by the Faculty of Law UiTM in collaboration with our strategic partner, RDS Advocates and Solicitors. On behalf of the Faculty of Law, I would like to extend our sincere appreciation to the team from RDS for their commitment and support in bringing this program to our students. We are especially honored by the presence of Yang Berbahagia Datuk Sri Hishamuddin, whose distinguished contributions to the judiciary and human rights landscape in Malaysia require no introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, the theme of today's program, Fundamental Liberties, Freedom of Speech and Expression, is both timely and significant. Freedom of speech and expression lies at the heart of every democratic society and is one of the fundamental liberties guaranteed under our federal constitution. Yet, as future legal professionals, it is important for our students to appreciate that such freedom exists alongside responsibilities, legal limitations, and competing public interests. So, as law students, understanding the law requires more than reading statutes and cases. It requires engaging with contemporary issues, appreciating different perspectives, and learning from those who have shaped and continue to shape the legal profession and the administration of justice. Today's program provides a valuable platform for that engagement. Our students will have the opportunity to hear directly from a distinguished former judge, experienced legal practitioners, and accomplished alumni of this university, and of course, our own academic expert. Interactions enrich learning and expose students to the practical realities of law and constitutional justice. I am pleased that this program also reflects the strong relationship between Faculty of Law UIT and our alumni, as well as members of the legal profession. Meaningful collaborations such as this strengthen the bridge between academia and giving opportunity to students to navigate the profession. To all students who encourage you participate, you have to listen carefully and make full use of the opportunity to engage with our distinguished panel. Ask questions, challenge ideas respectfully, and exchange of that is essential to legal education. Before I conclude, I would like once again to record my heartfelt appreciation to RDS advocates and solicitors, our speakers and moderator, the organizing committee, and everyone who has contributed towards the success of this program. With that, I wish all participants a fruitful and engaging session. With that, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much, Dean, for that insightful and inspiring opening address. Moving on to the core of today's event, it is now time to introduce the brilliant minds who will guide us through today's discourse. I would now like to invite our panelists to take the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're deeply honored to have an incredibly distinguished lineup of speakers. Our first panelist is a towering figure in Malaysian judiciary and legal history. He completed his education at the Malay College Kuala Kangsar before reading law at the London School of Economics, holding both an LLB and LLM. Called to the English bar at Lincoln's Inn in 1973, his illustrious career spans over 4 decades as a magistrate, state legal advisor for Selangor, and ultimately serving as a High Court judge and a judge of the Court of Appeal. With nearly 750 written judgments to his name, he is widely celebrated for his unwavering commitments to constitutional supremacy and his profound tenderness for fundamental liberties. Today, He continues to serve the nation as an arbitrator, the chairman of the Competition Commissions of Malaysia, MyCC, and the chairman of the Human Rights Commission of Malaysia, Suhakam. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Yang Berbahagia Datuk Seri Muhammad Hishamuddin Yunus. Our second panelist is a dynamic and highly accomplished practitioner in dispute resolution. She regularly acts for both local and international clients across complex corporate, commercial, and tortious disputes. Crucially for today's forum, she maintains a special interest in public and administrative law matters and has played key roles in numerous landmark cases reported across Malaysian law journals. Recognized internationally, she was listed as a recommended lawyer for dispute resolution in the Legal 500 Asia Pacific and was a finalist for the prestigious Rising Star Award in litigation by the Women in Business Law Awards, APAC. Introducing the partner of RDS Partnership, Yang Berusaha Puan Farah Syuhada Razali. Our third panelist is a familiar and highly respected figure right here at home. He is a senior lecturer at the Faculty of Law, UITM. He holds a Bachelor of Law Honours from ITM Shah Alam and went on to obtain his Master of Laws from Monash University, Australia. As an academic, his core expertise lies in historical and civilization studies, with a highly specialized focus on the constitutional history of Malaysia. Alongside legal history and legal philosophy, he is also an active contributor to the social, creativity, and innovation research nexus at UITM, bringing a rich theoretical and historical lens to our discussion today. Introducing Yang Berusaha Encik Muhammad Nazim bin Ganti Syari. To manage this session today, the floor will now be handed over to our moderator for today. Please welcome Mr. Nishuldran Ravindran.
Like this. Okay. Thank you so much to the MC. Hi, everyone. Hi. Okay. So I know it's a Friday evening, just finished prayers, just finished lunch. But I'll try to keep this as fun, as exciting as possible, okay? Okay, so now let's get straight into business. This entire topic today concerns freedom of speech and expression. And there's a saying that without freedom of speech, there is no other right. Freedom of speech is the mother of all rights. If you can't say anything, you can't protect your rights. Now, with that, I'll now be posing the question to Judge Hisham. Judge, you have presided over a landmark case, and that case is known as the UKM4 case, which is very close to students' heart. So can you please explain to the students today here about what happened in the case, the facts, the principles, and why is it very relevant for university students, especially those of us nowadays who like to protest for everything. So yes, Judge.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dean Associate Professor Dr. Nur Izan, fellow panelists, Dr. Iqmal, and dear students. I'm very delighted to be with you all this afternoon, and I will take this opportunity to commend my firm, RDS Partnership, and the law faculty of UITM for jointly organizing today's event. It is not often that on the bench we have the opportunity, or I have the opportunity, to deal with constitutional law issues, let alone issues regarding freedom of speech. But in the year 2011, I had that opportunity to decide on this particular case of Hilman Idam against UKM. This is a case which I will never forget. Yeah, to me, it's one of the cases which I have give me an impression. Yeah, at least behind an impression. I can always remember. Right. This case involved 4 political science graduates from University Kebangsaan Malaysia. I'll give the names, yeah. Muhammad Hilman Idam, then Wong King Chai, Muhammad Ismail Aminuddin, and Azlin Shafina Muhammad Reza. In April 2010, while making their way to witness the Hulu Selangor parliamentary by-election, they were stopped and found in possession of paraphernalia associated with the political party contesting in that election. The university then